Welcome back, it's Dr. Somji. I'm going to go through 10 key skin tips for glowing skin. Tips for glowing skin. The first one is to avoid the sun. Even a simple sunburn in childhood can increase the risk of pigmentation, advanced aging, as well as cancer. So always apply SPF every day, even if you're indoors. A good tip is to have a nice physical sunscreen. Some people don't like physical sunscreens because they leave a cast, but this particular product from Dermalogica is actually fantastic. It's a physical sunscreen that doesn't leave a cast, which is really quite nice. And you can see that it absorbs into the skin really quickly and easily. So use this SPF that you actually get on with so that you can use it on a daily basis. The second step is to get a medical examination. Too many times do I see people in clinic where they've been struggling with things like pigmentation, and what they actually have is a condition called melasma. They're struggling with acne that doesn't clear with traditional acne treatments, but what they actually have is rosacea acne. So if you're struggling with skincare and it's been about 6 months since you've started and you're not getting anywhere, go and see a professional who will examine the skin and maybe diagnose you with something that you may not have thought about having. Third tip is we use so many products these days, you want to simplify your routine. And if you're confused about where to use what in your routine, always use the thinnest product first, followed by the thickest product. So if you've got your serums, you want to be using that first, and then all those creams over the top, and then your SPF over the top of that. There's a separate video where I talk about layering of ordinary products, and that gives you a great insight into what I'm talking about. Fourth tip is to stimulate blood flow. Everything that we do in clinic in terms of lasers, deeper microneedling, help with blood flow, but you can do it safely at home. You may have seen me on TV talking about facial exercises. That's proven to stimulate blood flow, which will in turn help with collagen production, elastin production, all of those good things that will give you glowing skin. The fifth tip is to use targeted exfoliators. Don't use physical exfoliants, use things called AHAs and BHAs. Separate videos again talking about which ones are better for you, but simple things like salicylic acid are great for acne, mandelic acid is going to be great for pigmentation as well as redness, and glycolic acid is a great all-round exfoliator. You want to be using these things 2 or 3 times a week, don't overuse them. Point 6, sleep right. I released an article in the press talking about nap phase that went pretty viral. And I talked about sleeping like this and putting pressure on your face. And actually, your pillow can gather a lot of bacteria. So use a silk pillowcase, sleep properly, try and sleep like this or not on your side. You'll reduce the wrinkles, you'll reduce breakouts, and you'll get glowing skin. Step 7, reduce your sugar intake. We all love sugar because we're kind of addicted to sugar, but it's proven that individuals with high glycemic diets increases the amount of acne bacteria in the skin. And then you can also get a cycle of events that are not really great. So you can get more oil production, you'll get more bacteria building within that area, and then you'll get more spots. Step 8, use the ACE formula. ACE formula stands for vitamin A, which is our retinoids, i.e. known as retinols. C stands for vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant, all-round antioxidant that will help with redness, pigmentation, as well as brightening of the skin. And then vitamin E, which is fantastic for the skin barrier, that ceramide layer that's a protective layer. As long as you stick to the ACE formula, your skin will be ACE. Point 9, don't neglect the neck. You don't want to be treating the face and neglecting the neck, because you'll see a difference between skin texture, tone, as well as the smoothness of the skin within the area. The neck also ages, and you can also get pigmentation as well as acne around the neck area, especially if it's hormonal. So make sure you treat this area as well. Also treat the in front of the ears, behind the ears, as well as behind the neck as well. Step 10. Make sure that you're actually supplementing with things like collagen. So it's proven that hydrolyzed collagen improves skin elasticity, it improves collagen production within the skin, and it improves hydration. So supplementing at least 10,000 units of collagen daily will help you out. So that's it, 10 steps to help you get glowing skin. If you have any more comments, questions, or suggestions, just let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button so you're informed about the latest releases.